Hi guys, as you know I'm a firm believer of practicing with paper and pencil. Here is a draw along tutorial. Grab your pencil and paper and draw your strokes with me. As you can see, I've started by drawing a very light brow where the borders are drawn very light, and then I've drawn a spine, which is the line you see at the center, upper part of the brow. Now I'm starting with the strokes. So I start with the end, because when you start with the end, it's easy to create the flow that is important, and many students struggle with creating the right flow. So you can also call this brow drawing a reverse brow drawing pattern, because instead of starting from the beginning, which is what most people do, we are starting from the end so that we can easily get the flow that we want. These strokes are also called as primary strokes because they create the main definition of our brow pattern. As you can clearly see that most of my strokes are falling at equal distance, and this is probably just my practice of drawing hair strokes, but this happens quite easily that when you put one stroke over another, it gets easy to have your strokes at equal distances. The strokes that I'm drawing right now are also called as S pattern stroke, as they are a little depressed towards the bottom, and S pattern strokes are considered to be the advanced form of microblading. Unfortunately, as I was recording this tutorial, I switched off my camera for a bit of a break, and then I forgot to switch it on. So I captured only the primary hair stroke until the spine. But if you guys find this tutorial useful, then comment full tutorial, and then I will re-record the entire tutorial covering the secondary stroke as well. Once I get at least 20 comments demanding the full tutorial, then I will definitely record the whole video again and post it so that you guys can practice along with me and make the brow which looks quite flowy. And here is the final look. This method is amazing to do nano machine hair stroke.